gourmet next door. The holidays upon us. I got my cutesy little snowman here and I'm craving hot chocolate. So I'm gonna show you in this recipe how to make a knockout hot chocolate, super indulgent, super rich, super dark hot chocolate in less than 5 minutes. A lot of the hot chocolate that you find in stores is full of sugar. So it's actually not that great for you. So I invented this recipe trying to get to the same ultimate pleasure without the guilt. So without further ado, let me walk you through the ingredients. So this hot chocolate, I told you, it's a super indulgent, super rich experience. So this is the type of chocolate that's drinking chocolate, but it feels like you're eating it, if you know what I mean. Yeah, this is the real good stuff. So for that, the first ingredient is double cream. So I'm using fresh double cream. I'm gonna use some erythritol. This is a sugar substitute. It's the closest thing to sugar, but it doesn't affect your blood sugar levels. So it has a low glycemic index. It's a great replacement for sugar. Then I'm using some organic cocoa, and this is the good stuff. I use green and blacks. I love this cocoa. It's unsweetened cocoa. We're gonna use a little bit of water. And then my secret ingredient is actual chocolate. So I love dark chocolate, you know that. I'm gonna be using 90% dark chocolate. And if you don't like so much dark, you can certainly use 70. You can use even milk chocolate. But be careful, because the lower the percentage of your chocolate, the less sugar you need to put. So with that, let's get hot chocolating. First thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna turn on my pan. Here I got this cute little saucepan. I'm gonna put some cream now. We wanna give this a good shake. This is 300 ml, so I'm gonna put around 1/3 of it. Now, a little bit of water, and I don't know exactly how much this is, but it should be around 150 ml or so. So let's say same amount, double cream and water. Now into this, I'm gonna go ahead and add my erythritol. So I'm adding 2 tablespoons of erythritol into the recipe. The beauty with this is also you just add everything, you stir it up, and within 2-3 minutes, you got yourself a cup of hot chocolate. I mean, what is not to like, right? Honestly, it's addictive, I tell you. Once you try it, you will never buy the store-bought stuff. It's so easy, and it's so satisfying. Some days, honestly, I don't have dinner, and I just have this instead. A little confession, I know. If you're cutting carbs, if you're cutting sugar, this is the recipe for you. So now for the cocoa, the dark part, I'm gonna put also 2 tablespoons of cocoa. Yeah, we don't wanna be shy with the cocoa. This is gonna be a dark experience, I told you, right? So we wanna give this a stir. You wanna dissolve the sugar, erythritol with the cocoa. I can't imagine my life without chocolate. Honestly, this is the one thing I can't live without. And I love my dark chocolate. I mean, it's good for you. It has antioxidants. It gets the cravings out. You never want to put chocolate on a high heat. It will actually burn. Now for the best part. I got my 90% chocolate. So into this recipe, I'm gonna go ahead and drop my dark chocolate. I usually use 4 squares, which makes around 20 grams. And just for you to know, in 100-gram bar of 90% cocoa, there's only 7 grams of sugar. So that means if I'm using 20 grams, it's literally 2-3 grams, and that I can live with, honestly. I don't want to compromise on the taste that much. Now what I've done is, into this simmering pan, I basically dropped my chocolate pieces, and with the heat, they're gonna slowly melt. Guys, imagine this, Netflix, a nice cozy blanket. What else you can ask for? It's the holidays. holidays. Enjoy people, because guess what? When January comes, we're all gonna be dieting. Guys, our hot chocolate's done. You don't want to boil this, okay? I want to show you the color. Look at this dark, beautiful hot chocolate. Now for the finishing touch, I have a beautiful glass here. I'm gonna go ahead and put my hot chocolate here. Guys, our hot chocolate is done. Here we go. Looks absolutely scrumptious. Super hot, super dark, super rich. It's one of those experiences that it just makes you happy. Guys, the smell is intoxicating. I gotta give this a try. Oh my God. I cannot explain how rich, how intense that chocolate is. It's the perfect ending to a sweet, lovely day. So thanks for watching Gourmet Next Door, and stay tuned for more delicious and festive recipes. Ciao everyone, bon appetit!